Stock Target Advisor runs millions of fundamental and technical calculations on over 100,000 global stocks and ranks and combines them with ratings and target prices from analysts and users to provide a complete and comprehensive view on each stock. Each stock has its own detailed analysis page, updated daily with hundreds of data points, presented in an easy-to-understand format to help investors make smart decisions and build robust portfolios. You can access the detailed analysis page from anywhere on our website either by entering a symbol or a company name in the top search bar or by clicking on the name of a symbol on any page. The detailed analysis page has 8 sections, which you can access by clicking on the section tabs, shown on the left on a desktop browser or at the top on a mobile browser. The summary section, at the top of the detailed analysis page, summarizes the average analyst ratings over the past 90 days, Stock Target Advisor's own automatic analysis, and our users' average rating for the stock. Stock Target Advisor's automatic analysis is driven by calculating hundreds of ratios for each stock every day, and comparing them to the stock sector medians to form a bullish or bearish opinion. You can scroll down to see the breakdown of the key factors that drove our automatic rating under the Stock Target Advisor's analysis column. The stock forecast section summarizes our view on a stock and also shows how the average analyst target price and rating have been trending over the past year. This can tell you if the analysts have been getting optimistic or pessimistic about a stock over the past few months. Not all analysts are good at predicting the future of all stocks, and some are better than others for specific sectors. Our premium users can only see aggregate price targets and analyst ratings from top analysts who have high rating accuracy rates for the sector of a stock by selecting the option in the blue bar. For example, on the date of making this video, the average analyst target price for Microsoft was $288.25, slightly below its last closing price. When I click on the top analyst button, the average target changes to $292.06, which is above its last closing price and is based on the targets of only those analysts who have higher accuracy for the software infrastructure sector, under which Microsoft falls. Scrolling down, I have access to many powerful tools to analyze Microsoft stock. I can look at its technical data and historic price and compare its total returns to the returns of any other stock. For example, by entering Adobe in the compare box, I can compare the relative performance of Adobe's stock against Microsoft stock for any period. Scrolling down further shows me the symbols of the stocks, which are similar to Microsoft. In addition, I can get a list of all the ETFs, which have Microsoft among their holdings. This list can be sorted by Microsoft's weight in the ETF's holdings, their expense ratios and market cap, and so on. By clicking on the Market Performance tab or the Financial Ratios tab, I can not only see the values of the key financial ratios for Microsoft, but also how they rank against its sectors and exchanges medians. For example, the return on equity for Microsoft is 39.31%, which on its own may not mean much. However, Stock Target Advisor has determined that this puts Microsoft in the 97% percentile range among software infrastructure stocks, which earns it a grade of A+. This is an extremely powerful tool, as just a quick look at the greens, oranges and reds on a ratios page can give you a good view of which areas you need to focus on as you analyze a stock. For example, it is pretty obvious that Microsoft stock is currently overpriced, as it has F and D grades for all the price multiple ratios. Moving on, by clicking on the Financials tab, you can see the historic annual and quarterly financial results for Microsoft. The Stock Analyst Ratings tab lists all the recent analyst ratings for Microsoft, while the Stock Crowd Ratings tab shows all the ratings given by our users. You can post your own opinion or participate in discussions about Microsoft stock on the Discussions tab. Lastly, the Latest News tab gives you the most recent news on Microsoft. Paying users can download all of the information on the detailed analysis page of a stock in a PDF report by clicking on the Download Premium Report button in the left column. You can also add a stock to a watch list by clicking on the Add to Watch List button at the top. As you can see, the detailed analysis page of a stock is a powerful tool that puts the same amount of information and analysis at your fingertips, which is only available on expensive financial information platforms, but in a more intuitive and easier to understand way. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. You can view more tutorials on our YouTube channel or on our website at www.stocktargetadvisor.com.